You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly, used mainly in Japanese. This is a traditional Japanese seasoning. If you want to learn more food names from Japan, stay tuned. The Japanese pronunciation first. Miso, alright? Miso. It's not miso, miso. Therefore, in English, the pronunciation is generally pronounced as miso soup or miso paste or miso seasoning. Miso. It's easy. Miso ramen as well. Miso. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.